Hi everyone, welcome back to Ellie Pops Bespoke. Today I'm going to show you how to make a glitter fabric bow with a gross grain ribbon in the middle. It's been requested on my group. If you're not a member of the group, I will put a link below. It's a Facebook group and you can request tutorials, talk about any problems you've got, and we can help each other out. What you're going to need is some glitter fabric and a colour for the contrasting ribbon in the middle. We've also got some templates. These ones are the Rosy Lubo from Rosie's Craft Shop. Some scissors. I've got a lighter just to seal the ends of the ribbon. I've got a 65mm alligator clip and a pen to draw around the templates. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to draw around the templates. And then what you're going to do is cut those out. Okay, so once you've cut them out, you should have them like this. And then what we need to do is put some glue on the back and make that into a loop. And we're going to stick that, some more glue into the middle of the ribbon. The glitter, sorry. Okay. So there you have the basic bow. Now what we're going to do, this is 1.5 inch gross grain ribbon. So we're going to lay that on there, and what we want is for this inner ribbon to be slightly smaller than the outer one, so you can still see the glitter on the outside edge. So I lay it on top like that, fold it over, and then cut it, and then that should be the size of the bow we want. So we heat seal the ends. Okay, then we fold it in half again, crease it, and we're going to glue it on the crease. And then we push the ends into that glue. Now we need to fold it. So on the side that you've just joined, put a tiny bit of glue on that join in the middle and fold it in half that way. Pinch it where you've just put that glue. And then while it's folded, so now you've got the crease at the top, put a tiny bit of glue there and fold that into the edge like that. And then do the same on the other side, so the fold is now here. Bit of glue there, and we'll fold that edge down. And that gives you a pinch bow, like that. And what you want to do is just flatten that middle bit while the glue's still hot. Just flatten it, but try and keep the nice loops and shape. You don't have to do this, it just makes it flatter in the middle of this bow. Okay. So now I'm going to put a little bit of glue in the middle of the glitter, and we're going to stick that down. Like that. But now we need some tails. You could leave it like that, or we could put some tails on it, which is what we're going to do. So we get some more of this, and the tails don't want to be too long. So measure a length of ribbon, and obviously we folded it in half and doubled it. Keep it folded in half and then fold it again the other way, And then where the crease is, not the openings, where the crease is, you're going to cut a point from the crease to the corners. And then when you open it up, you've got some nice tails. And then we're just going to heat seal the tails. And then what we're going to do is make sure that crease is quite, so you can see it. Okay, we're going to, again, like we did with the bow, we're going to concertina fold it and glue it as we go. So you put a little bit of glue in the middle, join it up, pinch it. And then put a little bit of glue there again. And then we put a little bit of glue on the back. So we've done it 3 times. Okay. So again, where it's pinched in the middle, put a little bit of glue there. Join it up. And then a little bit of glue on that side, like that. Now, that's a triple pinch. And this is a double pinch. You can do a triple pinch on this one if you like. So what we need to do now is bend that down, put some glue on the top there, and then we're going to glue that to this part of the bow. Now if your template comes with a middle band, you'll need to cut it a little bit longer because this is a thicker surface. So what I do is I don't use the middle template. I roughly cut a 1 centimetre wide. Try and get the edges as straight as you can. Strip of glitter. That's going to go around the middle. First what we're going to do is we're going to turn that bow over and we're going to stick the clip to the back. Open the clip, put some glue inside, and we're going to put this bit in there like that and close the clip. And we're going to wrap it around the bow. And cut off the excess. And then we're going to glue on there. Pull the clip up and push it inside. Okay. I'm just kneading these up to how you want them. And there you go. So that's a glitter bow with a pinch bow on top. Okay, so again for this one you'll need some glitter fabric, 1 inch ribbon this time, a 45mm clip and a smaller template. This is a 3.5 inch template from Rosie's Craft Shop. I'll pop the link below. So what we need to do first of all is draw around it and cut it out. Okay, so we have our pieces cut out. I have got the bottom, the top, and a piece that's going to go around the middle. So again, we're going to glue this to make the loops. We're going to stick it to the bottom. Okay, we might as well put the clip on now as well. Okay, so I have 1 inch gross grain ribbon. Again, we're going to measure size we want, fold it in half and cut it, heat seal the ends, and then glue in the middle. So we have that. So what we're going to do, glue in the middle, fold it in half, a little bit glue on the side, fold it down. These are a little bit trickier to work with the ribbon being smaller. Just take your time and do it as neatly as you can. Small pinch bow. Okay, so we're going to do the tails on this one first. So we get your ribbon again. Hold it on there and just see how long you want it. Now it doesn't have to be too long with this one. I'm going to say there. So I've folded that in half. Keep it folded, fold it in half again the other way, and then where the crease is, cut diagonally to the corners, and you get tails, and heat seal those again. And fold in half. On that crease line, put a little bit of glue in the middle. Concertina, fold it, and again on the other side. Fold it in half, put some glue on the top, and stick it to the bow. Then you have your pinched tail bow, and then stick that to the glitter bow. Just pop a bit of glue in the middle, and we just stick that in the middle like that. Then you get your piece of glitter for the middle. You lift up the clip, put a bit of glue underneath there, wrap it all the way around, cut off the excess. Some glue on that side, and then pop it under the clip, and there you go. So we have a big version and a smaller version of the same bow. So you can use any glitter, any ribbon, you can contrast the colours, you can mix them around. It just makes just a little twist on the fabric and gross grain bows. I hope you like them, and all the information you should find for my Facebook group and for Rosie's Craft Shop, where the templates were from, will be in the description below, so please make sure to check that out. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I should be bringing some Christmas tutorials after this one, so keep tuned for that, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.